had that $50 case! I'm mad at you! I am so mad at you right now! 250 bucks!
In true Jimenez fashion, we've got our early morning Starbucks. Today is Open Championship Day. We bowl tonight, so we're super excited, but we're gonna gamble a little bit this morning. We're gonna go to the pool, hang out with some friends. So yeah, so that's kind of about it. All right, here we are, deal or no deal. The last time we were here, Marissa made a fatal mistake. But this time it's gonna be different. This time we're gonna get a lot of money. So here we go, turn it around, here we go. So you got times 5.
Times 5 if I get... So I got $3, but... I also don't, I know in 30 seconds I'm not going to win, like, unless I got a bonus. So I'm kind of like running down the clock right now. I'm okay with mine.
Select your case. All right,
please pick your case. Okay.
All right. I'm going to go lucky number 9. Marissa?
7.
All right, here we go.
Let's start by opening up.
Look up.
I'm glad that we don't have to pick sides.
Well, let's see here. $8. So I've got times 4. Bruce has got times 5. I'm gonna go no deal.
No deal.
No deal.
4 cases to open in this round. Okay, let's see what the banker has to offer.
Second banker call. Ooh, $11. I got times 4. Marissa got $50. I'm gonna go. There's still a lot of the big ones on there. I'm gonna go no deal.
No deal. No deal.
How many do I have to pick now? 3 cases? Okay.
Open.
Come on,
Three cases.
Come on, baby, give me a low.
Oh,
Ah!
that's okay. That's, you
Give me a
got still
low,
got a
give me
50
low.
though.
No.
That's okay. That's okay. All right. That's all right. That's all right. All right. I think I'm gonna take this deal because I got a 50 left and an 8 and a 7.
All right. What's your choice?
He went down.
He went down $10.
No deal.
I'm gonna take the deal because I'm gonna come ahead. I took the deal.
Come on, baby. 2 cases next one. I still got this. I got this. You want.
All right, here we go. 8. Okay, that's a good one. Oh, that's a good one. High five, baby. Come on.
All right. Let's see what the banker has to offer.
Up it up, up it up, up it up.
All right.
Ooh, $13.
Or no deal.
$65, baby. Take the deal. Remember last time? You remember last time what happened? Baby, take the deal.
Hold on. And so if they do like those 2, right? 6 times $6.
It's $65, baby. Take the deal.
I want to go again. I'm just saying.
Deal.
She took the deal.
If I had that $50
All right,
case,
so I
I'm
had-
gonna be mad. I had
You
that
had the
$50 case. I'm mad at you. I am so mad at you right now. 250 bucks. You made me feel guilty.
But you didn't know. You didn't know.
I wanted.
You don't know that's what your case is. Marissa had the $50 case.
50 times 5. What's that, Joseph?
That's $250 and I made her take 65. But it's 65 more than what she had. I'm gonna cash out. Alright, Marissa qualified again for the next round. Now we got 8 minutes to hang out before the next bonus round. And we need a drink.
We need a drink.
So every time you hit Howie on this thing, he talks, and the last couple of times we did it, we actually got a bonus, so we're gonna hit him again. So here we go.
You didn't think I could see you.
Didn't work that time. Yes! Yes! Woo!
Times 8.
Times 8.
And times 6.
Times 8, times 6. No, I have times 9.
Oh, you have times 9. This is gonna be a good one. You know what it means. We're gonna pick small ass cases.
I don't like your negativity. I'm focusing on positivity. Here we go. Man, mine is times 9. My first banker call was $75, and I took no deal. I didn't take the deal. We still got a 50 and a 25 though. Man, 9 times 50 would be $450. I would take that.
Deal.
Woo! $12. That's $113 for me. But there's still a 50 and there's still a 25.
Deal.
I'm not feeling my confidence on this one.
Even if I have 9 times 8, it's still $72. But I could get 9 times 2 and only get $18.
You got this, babe.
No deal. It chose for me. That's okay. That's all right. I still got a 50. I still got a 50.
Yes.
$2. Okay.
All right. Let's see.
All right. I still got a 50. Here we go. I think I'm going to take the deal this time. $12.
Oh, wow.
He went down again.
Got $100.
I'm going to take the deal. I'm taking my $100. All right. I got my $100. Let's see what my case is. Oh, see. Okay. Yeah. I had the $8. And she had $1.50. So we did good. We did good. That's $92. Hey, you took the deal. I'm so proud of you.
Wasn't proud of you.
Let's see what you got. Oh, you had the 25. She had the $25 case. That would have been
More than my last one.
a lot. That would have been $200.
That would have been a lot. So how much would that have been if I would have...
200.
And the last one was 250.
Deal or no deal?
Oh, the many expressions of Marissa at Deal or No Deal. Okay, so this is a little bit of a different feeling that we have right now. We're actually both walking away positive with more money than we have when we put in the machine. So you never know, right? All right, so now we're gonna head over to New York, New York. I don't know what we're gonna do. Maybe get on the roller coaster. What do you think, Marissa? You don't get on the roller coaster? Why not? It gives like a loop thing and turns inverted. It comes. Oh, it's stuck right there. Look, it's stuck. It's stuck. So what do you think? That's what Game of Thrones? What do you think? You think that's Daenerys or Queen Cersei? Oh, that's Sansa's. That's Sansa's new Winterfell right there. Excalibur.
They come out.
I never realized, but there's like a troll door right there.
Disney should do something like that. Theirs.
Yeah. Disney should model their theme park. Oh, look, there it goes. I always thought it's funny that like when you're going into the casino, they always have the the little, not escalator, I don't know what you call this, but like the fast moving walkway into the casino, but out of the casino, they make you walk. So like right there.
They wanted to make sure that you can get in.
2 hours later.
So we're on our way to the pool, and we feel a little out of place.
You're a lot older.
We definitely appear to be the parents of this crowd. So it's really packed at the pool. We're having a hard time finding chairs. You can rent some of those other ones that I just showed you, those beds, but they're going for $50 a chair right now. We don't want to spend $100, and that doesn't even include the food and beverage that you're going to spend. That's just in order to reserve the chair. It's $50 a chair, but it is a Saturday in the afternoon, so I guess they can get away with charging those prices. Okay, so a little bit of an update. We're changing rooms because we just didn't like our room. It's probably good for some people, but not for us. All right, so we just checked out of our first room and into our second room, which is exactly the same layout, minus the air purifier, that stupid little orb thing that goes over there, and then...
Well, it's good. So if you're really sensitive to smoke smell, it would be the perfect floor for you to pay extra for, because that's what they really try to do, is make the air pure and stuff like that. We did not see a difference, and it's $35 a day. We just didn't feel like there was a difference for that.
$35 upgrade.
Upgrade, yeah.
Not for the room, yeah.
$35 per day, and so it just wasn't worth it.
Yeah, so immediately when we got off, we were on the 15th floor, and now we're on the 20th floor. The same exact room that we were on, 15112. Now we're on 2112. But immediately, right when you walked off the elevator, you could smell the smoke. So you are able to tell the difference. But for us, it wasn't worth the upgrade. Plus these beds here, oh, they're super comfy. Those other ones were really hard, which they didn't tell us that it was a firmer mattress, but it is a firm mattress. Like, it really has no give at all whatsoever. So anyways, room number 2, Open Championships tonight. We're gonna take a nap, we're gonna get ready, and then we're gonna go bowling. Yeah, pans are just... Here we go. Open Championships. Time to go check in. Look at all those Texas shirts. Look at all those shirts. All right, this is it. Team event. Here we go. 3 games.